Hi everybody, welcome back to A Better Computer. My name is Matt, and today I'm going to do a very short video showing you a new app I really like called HomePaper. HomePaper is an app that lets you set nice backgrounds for the Home app that Apple doesn't make as easy as it should be. So this is what wallpapers look like normally in the Home app by default, but you can customize them with your own photos so they look like this, which isn't so good. So I'm going to show you how you do it much better with HomePaper. Okay, so I switched over to the wide shot for this so you can see kind of my office back here, and I have the HomePaper app loaded up now. You should see my screen kind of over here. And basically what I want to do is, you can see it has kind of something that looks similar to what Apple's wallpapers have. You have this gradient, you can hit the arrows to flip the direction of the gradient, you can tap a color to select whatever color you want. So that's all really nice. What I like is I can go and hit these four dots here, and there are some preset gradients, all that look really nice. I kind of like this blue and green one. That looks pretty cool. I'll flip it around. Yeah, I think this is the gradient I want. And now I need to take a photo that I can put there. So I hit the photo icon in the top left. I can choose one I've already taken, or I can take one now. I'm gonna take one now. And so I'm just gonna take a picture of kind of like, let's do that. Right, so use the photo, and there we go. So now I can see the plant. That's not quite what I want. That doesn't really show me what the office is like. So I'm just gonna back up a little bit, kind of do something like that. Use the photo, and there we go. That actually reminds me of the office that I'm actually in, and so I can go ahead and hit the download button here. It's exported to my camera roll, and now if I switch over to the Home app itself, instead of this ugly picture that I have here, I can go to the Home icon at the top. I can say room settings, and then I can choose from existing, I can choose recents, and it's right there at the bottom. That's the most recent photo. Set it, done, and oh my God, this looks so much better than what I had before. That looks like my office. It looks like the normal Home app. So if I switch back over to the living room, this is what Apple's defaults are. It looks very much in line with that, but personalized to my space. And so I'm gonna go around my house doing all of these. You should know you get one of these for free, and then after that you have to pay 99 cents to unlock unlimited exports, but you can try it out for free, see if it works, and if you want to do it for the rest of your rooms, 99 cents gets you as many of these as you'd like. So it's $1, it's a one-time fee, it's not a subscription or anything, so really cool, I like it, I think you should check it out.